Today let's take a look at the Quanquer squirt gun pack. So you should get 3 of these squirt guns in the pack, and this is great for doing, you know, fun water fights outside in the summer with your kids. These are actually surprisingly have a pretty surprisingly long range, but it's basically plastic, very simple. You fill it with water at the top here, so we can open the top. We pour our water in from the hose on there, and then it's just a pump to actually have it shoot the water out. So very easy even for little kids to operate. They just pump this, and each time they pump, it does shoot that water. And I'll do it here so you can see. It does go quite a long distance. I'd say probably, you know, almost 20 feet if you really get it going. So, you know, I was impressed by that. I didn't know if this was going to be able to really go that far, but it's certainly not super powerful. So, you know, if someone squirts you with it, it's just a little light kind of thing. It's refreshing in the summer, and my kids like to also use it to water the garden, like spray plants and things in the backyard, and it's not powerful enough to cause any damage to the plants or any concerns there. So again, you get 3 of these in a pack, which is great because you have multiple people join in the fun, and I find this is a really nice thing to have in the backyard for the summer. Great for the pool too, because you can fill it right from the pool water there. Very easy even for little kids to figure out how to fill this up.